It tastes really sour. What do we have here? It's an ultimate dimension. There's two Alexeis brushing their hair at the same time. How is this? Wow.
Wow. Wow.
It's blue and then it's green. It's green.
Terrible.
That's what she said. Oh! There's a door there. And off with the lights we go. It's like a scary movie. Dun dun. Wait. Oh, what's in here?
Run!
Oh, get out of here!
No.
Oh my gosh! Zoom in.
Oh, whoa.
It tastes like crap. It's so nasty.
Why am I licking it? I don't know.
That was in my mouth. Like all of that. You.
Smells like Drew.
Smell it. Smell it.
You're making me sound like a creeper.
Am I really dropping it? Oh my gosh. Can I really drop it?
That's not. What the fudge?
I came out of the shower.